Hi everyone, my name is Kajal and I'm the licensed real estate agent here in Victoria, British Columbia. Buying a home is one of the biggest decisions you will ever make. And today I'm going to walk through the main steps to purchase a property in British Columbia. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a refresher, this video is for you. Let's get into it. The first step is getting your finances in order. This means connecting with a mortgage broker or a bank to get a pre-approval. That way you know how much exactly you can afford and what will be your monthly payments. Don't forget we have programs that can help, like first-time home buyers or the property transfer tax exemptions. Both can save thousands of dollars. Now step 2, work with a real estate agent. It is very important to choose a licensed real estate professional to represent you, whom you can trust and build a relationship. Having a real estate agent means you will have someone to protect you, guide you, and make sure you don't miss any important details. Step 3, start your home research. Now comes the fun part, house hunting. Sit together and create a wish list of what you're looking for: location, type of house, budget, and lifestyle needs. Then start looking at the listings, visiting the open houses, and then scheduling the private showings. Now, the step 4, making an offer. Once you find the right home, it's time to write an offer. An offer includes the price, deposits, any conditions which we call subjects here in British Columbia. Common subjects include financing, home inspection. Real estate agent also negotiate on your behalf to make sure you get the best possible deals. Step 5, subject removal. After your offer is accepted, we move into the subject removal stage. This is when you confirm your own financing, complete the home inspection, and review all the necessary documents. If everything checks out, you will remove the subject and contract becomes firm. Step 6, closing process. A lawyer or notary will handle the legal sides of things, like transferring the title, finalizing the mortgage. There will be a closing cost at this stage, which includes the property transfer tax, legal fees, and adjustments like utilities. Now, step 7, that is move-in day. And finally, it is a big day. You will get the house keys and congratulations, you are the homeowner. And if you're thinking about buying, as if you have any questions about the process, please feel free to reach out. I would love to help you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for any future tips. Thank you.